this video, I'm going to tell you how you can give studio lighting effect to your pictures using Snapseed on Android and iOS. This effect is generally seen on studio lighting and on iPhone 10. But now this can be achieved using Snapseed application. So open the image and then go to black and white. Here choose the dark filter and then adjust the brightness as per the image, and then press the tick button. Now go to Tools and select Curves. Here choose the channel RGB and pull it completely down, and then go to Luminance and do the same. This will make the image completely black. When done, touch the upper button and go to View Edits. Here select Curves and then choose the brush tool. Now paint over the background of the image and make sure that you don't paint over the face, neck and the hand of the portrait. Everything else should be black in color. If you paint somewhere else accidentally, then press the downward arrow and make the number from 100 to 0 and then paint over that area. When the whole background is completely black, press the tick button. This is the before and the after. Now you can save the image. This is how you can create studio lighting on Android device.